How's it going, guys? In this video I wanted to show you how you can download and find those downloaded files on your iPhone. So let's take for example that a friend sends you a file via email, sort of like this one. In my case, I'm gonna open my email right here, but if you cannot find it, you can always just swipe down from the middle of your screen and type in email, or type in mail right here. Okay, as you see, it opens up all my inboxes. I already made a little test file right here. So we're going to click on this. Let's suppose that this first email is the email that your friend sent you with the file. So we're going to click on that. And it says right here, okay, here's the file. So one thing we can do, what happens if we click it? It's going to open it up and we can just read it and whatnot. But if we want to save it, just hit done right here so we can go back. If we want to save it, you have to click and hold the file like so. So as you can see, it immediately gives us this prompt. We can take a quick look, which is what we just did. We can mark it and reply to our friend. But in this case, since we're focusing on saving it, we're going to click right here where it says save to files. Okay, so click on that. And it's going to ask you where you want to save it. In this case, we have two options. We can either save it in our iCloud drive right here, or directly onto our iPhone. Now, keep in mind that if you save it on your iCloud drive, and you have your iCloud drive connected to your phone, you're going to have it available not just on your phone but also online. So this is a good option if you have it integrated with your iPhone. However, if you don't want to have the hassle of that and you just want it directly on your phone, you can just select this option. You just have to select the folder that you want. You can either save it, click right here, and it's going to save it without a folder, but I suggest you save it in a folder that you can identify later. So for example, we can select this one that says My Files. I'm going to click right there, okay? And we're going to hit save. Okay, so we saved the file. We're going to go now to our main page. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of my screen. Okay, we were there, and now we're going to find the Files app. As you can see, I don't have it available right here, and if you really don't want to scroll around every screen to find it, just like we did before, just select the middle of your screen and slide down, and then just type in the word files. As you can see, there it appears. Just click on that. Okay, so we're in our files folder, and you can see the first option is the iCloud drive. Now we know we didn't save it there. We know we saved it here on the second option where it says on my iPhone. Okay, so let's hit there. Okay, we have all these files right now, but we know that we saved it in this one. This is the one that says My Files. Click on that. Okay. We're going to find it. It's right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have it right here. I'm going to click on that so we can open it up and we can read it. And then now we have it physically here. We don't need an internet connection or anything. We can have it right here. So what type of files can we have here? Well, almost anything. But remember that some files are not, you cannot open them from your iPhone. You can store them here, but not all of them are available because they don't have the extension that they have. It's not available to be opened by any of the programs that you have on your iPhone. However, you can send it. So for example, if you want to send any of these files to a friend, for example, I'm going to swipe back. I'm going to go again to my email. So, okay, say this is our friend. I'm going to reply to him with another file. Okay, so I click right here, reply. Okay, just say hi back. And as you can see, we have these options right here. This is the one that says file, and I select that one. Okay, so we are actually in our files folders right now. And let's say, for example, I want to send him this file right here. Click on that one. And as you can see, it's attached. And this is a file that I actually cannot open on my iPhone, but I can open it on a Windows or Apple computer. But I can still handle it and send it. So I'm going to send it. Okay, and that's it. It's sent to my friend. So that's it, guys. That's the way you can handle files on your iPhone. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you on the next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.